Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to class student. I am Fatma here with 13th lecture of SST. Alhamdulillah, I am fine and hopefully you are fine too. Open page number 40, unit number 4, buildings, chapter number 8, buildings, houses. People all over the world live in houses. A house is a place where a family can live together. It is a place where people can keep their things safely. A house keeps us warm when it is cold outside, that is in winter season, and cool when it is warm outside, that is in summer season. When it rains, a house keeps us dry. Small houses, that is house, provide us shelter in winter season, in summer season, and in rainy season. Small houses have only 1 or 2 rooms, but big houses have more. They may have a drawing room, a dining room, bedroom, bathroom, and a kitchen. Some houses also have a garden. Have you seen how houses are built and buildings are made? This is a block of flat. This is village hut made of mud. An under construction double-story house. Now come on page number 41. Some building materials. Houses are made of stone, bricks and cement. Many other materials are also used. When a house is built, deep holes are dug for the base and concrete is poured into it. Concrete is made of very small stones mixed with cement. This gives the house a strong foundation. That is, the foundation of a house is made up of concrete, which is a mixture of small stones and cement. Iron and steel is used for pillars in the walls. The pillars hold up the roof. Wood is also used for doors, windows, and in buildings. Cement, these are the materials which are used in houses: cement, stone, steel, bricks, clay, and wood. Builders. Many people help to build houses. The person who first works on a house is an architect. Before all the other work begins, an architect designs the new house and draws pictures of it. The architect makes a plan which helps other workers to do their jobs. A plumber fits all the pipes and taps. A brick kiln worker bakes bricks for building the walls. A laborer digs, lifts, carries things and helps the other workers. He is a laborer. A carpenter makes the windows and doors. He works with wood. An electrician puts in all the wires and plug points. A painter paints the walls and the wooden frames. A plasterer covers the walls with a smooth layer of plaster. Some of these workers also do repair work and make other things. They make small things like tables and chairs. They have to build big things like dams, factories and bridges. Tools. Carpenter, plumbers, electricians and other workers also all need tools. Tools help them to do their work. Many thousands of years ago, people did not have tools. They used their hands to do everything. Today, people are very clever. They have invented tools to make their work easier. Who uses these tools? What are they used for? Hammer, plumb line, drill, screwdriver, chisel, saw, plane, pliers, pipe wrench, file, trowel, spanner. Safety. Tools are useful, but you can hurt yourself if you use them badly. Take care of them. Use them only for the jobs they were made for. Did you know Venice in history is built on 110 islands? The islands are connected by bridges. Open page number 40. Write question number 1, book reading. What is a house? A house is a place where a family can live together. It is a place where people can keep their things safely. Question number 2 is on book page number 41. What is concrete? Concrete is made of very small stones mixed with cement. This gives house very strong foundation. Question number 3 book reading. Where iron and steel used in houses? Iron and steel is used for pillars in the wall. The pillars hold up the roof. Come on page number 43. The fourth question book reading is why people invented tools. The answer is they have invented tools to make their work easier. Question number 5 book reading. What do you know about Venice? Venice in Italy is built on 110 islands. The islands are connected by bridges. This is the answer of question number 5 book reading. Write all these questions on your book and learn. Dear student, this is all about lecture number 13. Take care. Allah Hafiz.